Shortly after the consecration of St. Leon Armenian Cathedral, the Ladies' Guild of the Western Diocese was founded in 2010 under the auspices of His Eminence Archbishop Hovnan Derderian, the primate of the Western Diocese, and Mrs. Araksi Boyamian, the chair lady. In June 2012, the Ladies' Guild hosted a tea party at the NORIAN Museum, benefiting the construction of the Holy Martyrs Memorial Monument, dedicated to the 100th anniversary of the genocide, which was erected on the grounds of the diocesan premises in January 2015. In addition, the Guild is the founder of the first celebration of the Christmas holiday season, the annual Christmas Boutique, where distinguished ladies are recognized for their dedication, steadfast support, and unwavering service to the Armenian Church and the community at large, as well as the annual Summer Night at the Terpanjian Plaza, where Armenian legend artists are honored. In 2017, Ladies' Guild organized a summer luncheon at the Santorini restaurant, hosted by Vasken and Garine Haitayan, benefiting the Echmiadzin Children's Fund. ECT Kindergarten Project to offset the yearly nutrition cost of St. Gregory Narekatsi Spiritual and Cultural Center in Karaket village of Armavir region in Armenia. Since its inception in 2010, the Ladies' Guild strongly encourages and continues to support the mission of the Stewardship Program, and with substantial donation became a lifetime benefactor. Also since 2013, the Ladies' Guild is a cathedral godfather of the Mother Cathedral towards the fulfillment of the pledge made to St. Leon Armenian Cathedral. Since 2014, the Ladies' Guild assists the Archbishop Hovnan Derderian Fund so that each child and every Armenian student is entitled to an Armenian education in an Armenian school. Cindy NORIAN. Cindy NORIAN is a native Californian. She has been married to Ken NORIAN for 58 years and has 4 children and 8 grandchildren. As the daughter of philanthropists Arshak and Eleanor Dikranian, she was exposed early to the pleasures and values of volunteering to help worthwhile causes. Cindy chaired the Western Diocese Ladies Auxiliary for 15 years, and over the years has served on the Stewardship Christmas Ball and Vehapar Visitations Committees. She's a longtime member of St. James Armenian Church of Los Angeles, where she served on the parish council as a secretary. She's a past president of the Armenian International Women's Association, was the LA affiliate chairwoman of Iowa's Paris Conference. West Side Guilds of the Ararat Home is another organization she has chaired. In addition, Cindy NORIAN has been equally active within her community, serving as Beverly Vista School PTA President, Beverly Hills PTA Council President, and on the board of the 33rd District PTA. She is currently the chair of the Ladies Auxiliary of the Western Diocese. Margaret MGRUBLIAN. Margaret's involvement with the church started very early in life, with her activities in Sunday school and ACYO at St. Peter Armenian Church in Van Nuys. She and her husband David also took on the role of Sunday school superintendents at St. Gregory the Illuminator Armenian Church in Pasadena for many years. At the Western Diocese camp, Margaret gave her time to the program staff for over 10 years and has volunteered for many events. One of the most memorable was in 2015 when she co-chaired the ecumenical service with Vahram Birichik and Flora Dunayans, commemorating the centennial anniversary of the Armenian genocide, which was held at Our Lady of the Angels Cathedral in Los Angeles. In 2014, Margaret and her husband endowed the MGRUBLIAN Center for Human Rights at Claremont McKenna College, whose mission is to instill in the students an understanding of human rights. Margaret is currently the board chair of the Pasadena Community Foundation. She also serves on the Board of Governors of the Armenian American Museum, Vice President of the Armenian International Women's Association LA affiliate, sits on the Southern California Regional Council of the Armenian Assembly of America, and on the board of the National Association for Armenian Studies and Research. Dr. Aida Karayan. Dr. Aida Karayan is a licensed marriage, family, and child psychotherapist who has been working in the field of mental health for 32 years. She served as the preschool director of St. Mary's for 18 years. Immediately after the 1988 earthquake in Armenia, the Armenian Relief Society funded the psychiatric outreach program in Armenia, where she provided psychological care to the people traumatized by the devastation of the earthquake in Spitak and in Gyumri. In 2001, Dr. Karayan helped found the Armenian Relief Society's Child, Youth, Family Guidance Center, a non-profit mental health facility. In 2001, Dr. Karayan helped found the Armenian Relief Society's Child, Youth, and Family Guidance Center, a non-profit mental health facility where she continues to serve as the program director. Dr. Karayan established Healthy Souls Wellness Center that offers counseling and therapy in Glendale, also implemented a mental health and emotional health initiative in public schools that she continues to oversee. Dr. Karayan was invited by the city of Pasadena to serve on the Multicultural Committee to represent the Armenian community for many years. Most recently, Dr. Karayan co-founded the Tech Center in Yerevan that played an integral part in helping families affected by the war between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Currently, she's authoring a chapter in soon-to-be-published book by the Cambridge University Press about her experiences in helping the people traumatized by the 1988 earthquake in Armenia. Dr. Karayan is blessed with a husband, 3 grandchildren, and a wonderful family. Caroline Kuzunian Samuelian. Caroline Kuzunian Samuelian was born in Aleppo, Syria, and at the age of 13, she moved to the United States. She was raised with a strong faith in Christianity, and with God's calling, she founded, in 2002, FLY, Freedom Loving Youth, with her daughter Alina. FLY focuses on providing humanitarian aid, emotional support, job training, and education to children and single mothers facing tremendous poverty, abuse, disability, and injustice. FLY's beginnings started 10 years ago when the war in Syria began. With the tremendous help of His Grace Bishop Armash Nalbandian of the Diocese of Damascus in Syria, FLY became an official charity and got the community's involvement. With God's blessings, Caroline's vision, and Bishop Armash Nalbandian's spiritual guidance and tremendous hard work, FLY has grown to have chapters in Syria, Armenia, and Lebanon, and has helped more than 10,000 children to have the ability to carry out healthy lives, attend schools, have food, and reshape their destinies. Caroline is married to Vazgen Samuelian and a mother of a beautiful daughter, Alina. In 1995, Caroline became the president of Kosani Menswear. Vicky Marashlian. Vicky Marashlian was born in Lebanon and immigrated to the United States at a young age. Her passion has been to serve her community. She joined the Armenian Relief Society Burbank Aras chapter and elected as the chapter chairperson, and also the chairwoman of the ARS Central Executive Board International. During her 2-year term leadership as chairwoman of the ARS Central Board, she accomplished many projects: the renovation of the ARS Sosei Kindergarten building in Stepanakert, Artsakh, and took the initiative of the opening of the 2 new ARS chapters in Dubai, the Arab Emirates, and Brussels, Belgium. At the start of the Syrian war, Vicky and her team provided humanitarian aid by sending medical and food supplies and financial assistance to families. As the chairwoman of the Pan-Armenian organization, she visited many countries, community schools, elderly care centers, and orphanages. She received many honorary awards from the Armenian Chamber of the Western United States by Congressman Adam Schiff, the Ministry of Diaspora of Armenia, and the President of Artsakh with the highest Medal of Honor, Vachagan Parebasht. Currently, Vicky serves as an executive board member of ARS Arash Burbank chapter and is involved in managing the chapter's Sunday school. MARASHLIAN was recently invited to serve on the Providence St. Joseph Hospital's Minutes Matter campaign committee for the renovation of the emergency center and helped raising funds and continues to volunteer her time and efforts to new projects at St. Joseph Hospital. Vicky has been married for 39 years. She's the mother of 2 sons and recently became a grandmother to a beautiful granddaughter, Elizabeth. Congratulations to all the honorees.